Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again today. How have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to change the projection of a particular raster data. We have this data in a geographic coordinate system. You can see WGS 1984, right? Good. So what we want to do now is that we want to project it or warp it, as the case may be. So we come to the processing toolbox and then we search for Project Raster. So it transforms a raster data set from one coordinate system to another, right? Good. So let's open that up. Our input will be the raster data we have, and then by default let's leave this name as the output raster data set. Now the output coordinate system will be the projected coordinate system where your output raster data falls, right? Good. So let's come to the selector. You can actually search for it or you navigate to it through these drop downs, right? Good. So let's use the drop down. We use the projected system. We come to UTM. We go down to WGS 1984 Northern Hemisphere, and then we scroll down to WGS 84 UTM zone 33 north, right? Good. So that's where the data falls. So we click on OK. Then this will come up when you are trying to do some datum transformation, right? So let's leave the resampling technique to be the nearest neighborhood, then the nearest neighbor rather. Then for the output raster cell, let's leave it as empty as it is, because if we try to make it the same raster cell as the input data set, it's going to take it a very long time because the cell is very small, right? With about 0.0 or something. Maybe when you go to the properties you'll see it. So I won't set up all of these parameters. We can click on run. Good. So we have an output that's successful. Now let's double click, and then if we come to the spatial reference, you are going to see the projected system to be this, and then if you come to the raster information, you are going to see the cell size to be 30.8, right? Good. Now we are interested in the spatial reference, which has been reprojected or projected as the case may be. Now let's come back to our input data so that we can see the raster information to see the cell size. Now you see the cell size, it's very small. So if you assign the cell size to your output raster, which is now a projected system, you are going to find out that it takes a very large computing hour on your system, right? Good, which is not even ideal. So you just leave it as default as it is, and then it will rerun it and then decide what the output cell size. So basically we've shown you using ArcGIS Pro how you can reproject your raster data from one coordinate system to the other. We are going to see with some other interesting tutorials. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.